Caring for your dog, tips and tricks. Dogs require much more than some food and a few pats on the head. A dog needs total care. Sometimes it is difficult to know what you should do when it comes to being a pet owner. The following video contains helpful advice you can use when owning a dog. Train your dog in your backyard or home, as these are safe, convenient areas. It is unwise to do it where there are many strangers around. This can cause your dog to get distracted, which can make training them simple commands almost impossible. If your dog spends a lot of time outdoors, he or she may eventually come in contact with a skunk. If he gets sprayed, mix together 1 teaspoon of dishwashing detergent, 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1 quart of hydrogen peroxide solution, but make sure it is no more than 3%. Apply the mixture to your dog's coat and allow it to sit for 5 minutes. Wash your dog off well afterward. Keep your dog in good shape. He can suffer with the same weight-related issues that you can, so make sure he gets plenty of healthy exercise and eats a well-balanced diet. Remember that walking will benefit you as well, so make it a part of your daily routine together to be happier and healthier. Although the sound may be cute, your dog's nails shouldn't click along the floor when it walks. That's a sign that the nails are too long. The nails should actually just barely touch the ground. Seek the advice of a professional on what tools are the best for giving your dog a pedicure. If training has become routine and boring with your dog, consider introducing agility exercises into the mix. These will still teach your dog to obey and be challenging, but they tend to be a lot more fun than the regular commands. Get the whole family involved by making an obstacle course and working the dog through it frequently. Dogs need a great deal of attention on a daily basis. If you have a hard time making time for your dog, you will soon notice that there are behavioral problems that were not there before. In the least, you should try to set aside an hour each day just to love your dog. Timing is key when bringing your dog home. Try to introduce him to his new home over the weekend or when you have a couple of days off. Take the time to get to know one another. This will make him feel much more comfortable when he has to spend time in the home alone. Also, if you have children, make sure that they don't overwhelm him at first. If you have other pets in the house, be extra cautious when introducing the new arrival. The more you know about your dog, the better off you'll both be. Doing so means providing your dog with the best life possible, seeing as he is already such a good friend. Doesn't it stand to reason that your dog craves responsible care from you as well as love and affection? A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.